restraints lock. The floor vibrates under you. Heat rises. Pressure builds. The darkness breathes. Nitro hits your chest. Fast, sharp, electric. Fire and ice blast past you, scorching heat and freezing shock colliding at once. Oxygen floods in, fueling your pulse, pushing you forward. The track rumbles. Lights flicker. Your heartbeat syncs with the machine. You're inside Inferno. So get ready to be heated up.